Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is your boy Devi, and I would like to welcome you back to my channel again. In this video, I'm going to just look at the website navigation of LionShare Ethereum smart contract, and I just want to show you guys where to find what and where to get what, anything that you need. Sorry about that. So as you can see, this is one of my accounts, my second account. I've just opened it, and let me begin on this side here. This is where your ID appears. For example, this is the ID for this account, and this is where the total Ethereum you've earned, that's where it will fall, and its equivalent in US dollars will appear here. Your affiliate link will appear here. If you want to copy it, you just click on copy to copies, then you can paste it on any clipboard, and the Ethereum wallet that is attached to your account appears here. For example, this is the Ethereum wallet that is attached to this account, and you can also view it on Etherscan. If I press here, it opens Etherscan, and you can view the transactions that are occurring on it. So there are a few transactions, as I'm going to use this account to build this wallet, to build this account. What else? Then here we have the total number of members so far in the program. The ones which have not joined that day will appear here. Since it is the same day, that's why these numbers are the same. The total Ethereum earned so far is this, and it is going to be increasing as the program goes on, and what will be earned in a particular day will appear here. And also down here we have the smart contract address, so you can click on it. It opens in Etherscan. This is how it appears. The balance is 0 ETH and ETH value is 0. Now it is 0 ETH here because this program is peer-to-peer, meaning that your contribution goes to someone else, and another person's contribution can go to you. So it is from one person to one person. That's why we have zeros here. And these transactions are pending, but there are many. You can click on the total transactions here, and we see those which have gone through. So as you can see, guys, these transactions have gone through, all these ones. So if we are to go back into our back office, what do we have on this side? Nothing else. Then we come here. This is the comp plan 1 for Lion 1. For Matrix 1, the earnings will appear here in dollars here, and then in Ethereum here. For Lion 2 will appear here, and then the compensation plan. Now for the entry of 0.02 ETH, no, for the entry of 0.04 ETH, it is divided into 2, and it opens both matrices. That's why you have here 0.02, and then here in Lion 2 we have 0.02. So now these other packages, now this one is wanting me to buy. The reason of upgrading here is that you have to upgrade so that you don't have to miss up on any commissions that might come to you. For example, like in this Lion 2, you might miss out on the spillovers and the downflow from members in your team. So you have to upgrade to any here. If you have enough money, you can even upgrade to all. Never know, you might, on your day 2, you might get someone who is giving you 10 ETH. So That's that. Now these packages are the ones which are available. You can only upgrade one at a time. You can't jump. You can't purchase package 5 and then you run to package 5. So you have to start with this one, then this one, this one, this one, as they appear in ascending order. And this, let us look at the color codes. These color codes here, direct sales. These are the people you've invited in. Now let me use an account which is active here. Let me use this one. Now I'm going to use this one to explain the color codes. Now as you can see, guys, here the color codes, hit this one, the blue one, it is saying direct sales. So these are the people you've brought into the program. And then this one, which appears as if it is red, orange, I don't know what, it is an overflow. That one comes from a member in your team. So these are the spillovers we are talking of. And then this one in purple, it is a pass up ahead of the inviter. Now if you invite someone and you don't upgrade and he upgrades before you on a certain slot, so that person will appear in purple. So he is called a pass up. So he has upgraded before you and you've missed that commission. That's why you guys have to upgrade whenever you have some free funds. So, and what else? I think there is nothing new here. These other things, they are usual. The number of partners I've invited into the program will appear here. So I think that's it basically, guys. Now for those of you who have not joined, I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video. You can join us. We have a huge team and we are going to blow this up. And I'm also going to leave a link to the presentation showing the program, and also a tutorial. I've also done a tutorial of how you can get started using a Trust Wallet. So all those links are going to be available in the description of this video. Okay, that's it, guys. See you in another video.